Did you know that you could live to be 120 years old, full of energy, with a sharp mind and strong body? I'm doing it myself, and I want to share my secret with you. It all started when I asked ChatGPT to give me a list of the most powerful antioxidant and anti-glycation herbs. The ones that slow aging, protect the brain, and keep the body functioning like it's decades younger. I purchased them all and spent an entire year testing them one by one. I wanted to see which one truly worked, which herbs actually made a difference in my energy, sleep, metabolism, and overall health. Once I sorted out the most effective ones, I combined them into a single, powerful capsule. A unique blend of nature's best longevity enhancers. And now I take this formula 3 times a day after meals, just like food. Because let's be honest, we eat a lot of different foods, but as we age, our bodies stop digesting them efficiently. This is where herbs become essential. Here's what they do for me. Replenish nutrients my body struggles to absorb from food. Stimulate digestion and gastric fermentation, making food work for me. Boost metabolism, keeping me active and full of energy. Improve sleep quality, so I wake up refreshed and ready to go. Support heart and brain health, the foundation of long, fulfilling life. Reduce aging speed by lowering harmful glycation products, especially in the brain. And that last point is critical. Brain health determines how long and how well you live. If your brain stays young, the rest of your body will follow. So I encourage you to try this practice, experiment, find the best herbs for you, and create your own formula for longevity. Your future self will thank you. Want to live longer, healthier life? Start now. If you want to know more, drop a comment below and let's talk about longevity in a natural way.